This is if you're wanting to get rid of Brinks or ADT or your current security company, and you have a Qolsys IQ2, IQ4, IQ4 hub, and you're said, I'm done with Brinks from now on, and I do not want to use their service anymore. I want to transfer to another reputable company. We all understand how business practices work with some of these large companies. So log into your panel until you get to this home screen. If your panel was locked, you want to unlock it with either the installer code or the administrator code. If you do not know what that is, call your current provider. If you are a Security All-Star customer, contact us. We'll be glad to show you how that works. But once you're to this home screen, you touch the top line in the middle. You go to settings. Now, advanced settings is where I'm going to go for this particular lookup. Now, again, I am going to provide the information that I'm going to provide you is the IMEI number that you need to get off of your panel in order to transfer to a new company. You're getting rid of Brinks, you're getting rid of ADT, you want to go to another company, but you cannot move to another company without two things happening. One is Brinks or ADT need to release your IMEI number. You want to ask them to please not default your system, just release the IMEI number. And your new dealer needs that IMEI number. The serial number is on the back of the panel. You have to remove the panel from the wall. That's helpful as well, because quite honestly, that serial number will tell you some things about the panel that the IMEI number will not tell you. For instance, IQ2, IQ Panel 2 Plus, IQ4, they all come in different flavors. They run off of different types of wireless frequencies. That serial number helps solidify exactly what it is. But we're going to assume at this point that you or your acquiring dealer know what that is. You go into advanced settings. Then you go into about. Yes, about. And then you touch cellular. Right here on your cellular is your IMEI number. That is the number that Brinks or your current dealer or ADT need to release in order to let your new dealer have the system. That number right there. You cannot miss any digits. It has to be perfectly done. So again, I'm going to take you back out. We're going to go home. Let's say you've logged in or you've unlocked the screen as either the installer or the administrator. When you're to the home screen, you go to the top line, you touch settings, you touch advanced settings. If you're not in or already unlocked as either dealer or administrator, it will ask you for the 4-digit code on this screen. Then you go to about, then you touch cellular, and your IMEI number is right there on the bottom of the screen. That's what you have to have in order to transfer the system to another dealer. I sincerely hope that this helps.